I got a flight at 4 a.m. Sadly, the old Dakota's not going to make this trip. But let's go to the Freedom Factory. Well, good morning, everybody. At least that's what it is for me now. We actually got into Bradenton Beach yesterday. I've been having some wedding festivities we've been at. So I kind of decided I'm going to walk out here and see what this pier stuff's all about. And let me tell you, this place is probably really windy and terrible audio, but this is something. Most people know I'm from Iowa. This is not a thing for me. I know we crossed that bridge over there yesterday coming in. Yeah, I've never been on a pier like this before. This is crazy to me. It's probably not anything wild to anybody else who's been down here before, but yeah, this is kind of wild, but awesome at the same time. So I think I'm gonna try to go see the Freedom Factory today. It's a Monday. We could have we probably drove by it yesterday, or we would have been a lot closer in our trip yesterday to probably go to it, but knowing that they're at World Cup, I said, hey, let's just wait till Monday. We have nothing planned for today, other than beach day. And it's chilly out this morning. I mean, Florida chilly, so not really cold at all, but the water's probably a touch nippy. So we decided, let's just wait. Let's just wait a day. And sorry, I'm kind of taking in the scenery while I'm just kind of chatting. So we just kind of decided, let's just wait a day and try to see if we can maybe catch somebody there. Since they're at World Cup, we might as well just wait. So hope the wind isn't too bad in this audio. But yeah, it could be a really neat day. We're gonna go, hopefully, we're going to see the Freedom Factory, and hopefully we can see one of the guys. So let's get to it. We need to turn radio down.
Arrived.
Somebody's here.
What would you do if that was Cletus? Oh, sorry.
I kind of thought it was at first, because the mullet, the hair, and the white buffalo, but it's not. This is nutso. Well, I made a mistake. Into this entire video, I never even got any shots while in front of the Freedom Factory gate. It just got kind of awkward when I got up there because there were guys working on the gate. I should have asked them if I could get a picture in front of the gate, then wait for them to do their job. And I pretty much told them, if you can't, it's no big deal. I didn't want to rush someone who's doing their job or have them potentially make a mistake. So things got a little awkward. But we ended up leaving for a little while, went and checked out a state park, then came back and actually ended up getting a picture there, which hopefully I could insert before this so that you guys can see I actually was there. It's really weird recording like this because I'm not a vlogger. I don't know how this works. But that's pretty much it. I'm now by Fort Lauderdale, so I'm not even anywhere near where the Freedom Factory is over at Bradenton. We've been just traveling around. So figured I had some free time this morning. I was going to look over stuff, try to get a video put together until I realized that I completely messed up right at the very end. I got you the whole way there and then nothing. So yeah, that's pretty much how things went. None of the guys were there. Like I said, when I pulled up, I said, oh, there's people there. It was 2 guys working on the gate. Ends up that track owner, what most people know as Garrett, was actually in the Freedom Factory at that time. You could actually see his truck from the gate. Obviously, we could have driven right in, but as anyone knows who actually watches his videos, that is something that he requests people not to do. Because the gates were wide open, and I'm going to respect someone's privacy more than that. However awesome it would have been to actually go out and see the racetrack, it's not the right thing to do. So, sorry I kind of teased you right at the end there, and you never got to see anything really. But it was still a pretty cool experience. I wouldn't recommend traveling all the way from like Iowa to here just to look at the gate. But we were down here for our honeymoon basically. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the end of this one. Sadly nothing too exciting really happened, but still a very good time. Still, I'd say if you're in the area, recommend it. It'd be cool. Just cool to see you've been there, I guess. So thanks for watching. Sorry I ended that way, but hey, that's how things happen. I screwed that one up, I'll fully admit it, but it's still a very cool experience. So thanks for watching.